There are so many people who have walked this earth thinking that they know the truth. So they often criticize the way I believe, and they say, preacher, tell me, where is your proof? I tell them Jesus was wounded for my transgressions. He was bruised for my iniquities. Oh, they're gonna know that it's true. Oh, they're gonna know that it's true. They've got to know that it's true. Oh, they gotta know. They've got to know that it's true. His name is Jesus. He was sent from the Father. Jesus. He's a great Messiah. Jesus. He's bread for the hungry. Jesus. And he's water for the thirsty. Jesus. He's a friend to the friendless. Jesus. And he's hope for the hopeless. Jesus. He rose from the dead, just like he said. Shall bow, every tongue confess. Oh yeah, that Jesus is Lord. We're gonna find out that Jesus is Lord. We're gonna find out. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess. Oh yes, that Jesus is Lord. He's coming back soon. That Jesus is Lord. He walked upon the water, yes he did. And this same Jesus, he calmed the raging sea. He healed a man that was lame one day, and from sinking sands he lifted me. For he was wounded for my transgressions. He was bruised for my iniquities. Well, they're gonna know that it's true. Yeah, they're gonna know that it's true. No, it's true. Now they've got to know that it's true. Yeah, they gotta know. They've got to know that it's true. His name is Jesus. He was sent from the Father. Jesus. He's a great Messiah. Jesus. He's bread for the hungry. Jesus. And he's water for the thirsty. Jesus. He's a friend to the friendless. Jesus. And he's hope for the hopeless. Jesus. He rose from the dead. Jesus. Just like he said. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess. Oh yeah, that Jesus is Lord. You're gonna find out that Jesus is Lord. We're gonna find out. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess that Jesus is Lord. He's coming back soon. That Jesus is Lord. He'll split the sky. Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord. I know he is. Jesus is Lord. Power in his name. Jesus is Lord. Salvation in his name. Jesus is Lord. Ooh, Jesus. Jesus is Lord. Jesus. Jesus is Lord. Gentile and Jew, that includes me and you. We're gonna bow down, bow down. We're gonna bow down. We're gonna bow down, bow down. We're gonna bow down. Everybody's gonna bow here. Bow down. Everybody's gonna bow here. Bow down. You're gonna have to say Jesus is Lord. You're gonna come and say Jesus is Lord. You're gonna bend the knee. Jesus is Lord. You're gonna bow down. Jesus is Lord. You're gonna have to say Jesus is Lord. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess. Oh yeah, that Jesus is Lord. We're gonna find out that Jesus is Lord. We're gonna find out. Every knee shall bow, every tongue confess that Jesus is Lord.
Da, to je zapisao apostol Pavle u poslanici Filipljanima 2, 10 i 11. Da se Isusovo imenu pokloni svako koleno onih koji su na nebu i na zemlji i pod zemljom i svaki jezik da prizna da je Gospod Isus Hrist na slavu Boga Oca.
Bog nije samo Isusov otac, već nas Biblija poučava da je Bog i naš otac. On ljubi svet. Svako ko u Boga veruje, drži se njegovih pouka i neguje zajedništvo s njim, može Boga smatrati svojim roditeljem. Ali onaj koji to ne čini, nalazi se na strani Božijih neprijatelja. Možda ti ne misliš biti Božiji neprijatelj, ali ako si na njihovoj strani, delit ćeš s njima određenu im kaznu. Zašto da budeš odgovoran za tuđa zlodela? Prihvati Božju očinsku ruku.